Hi students, good morning. Last class we discussed about thermal expansion. Okay, in that thermal expansion, there are two types. In that first one, linear expansion and cubical expansion. Okay, a solid has a definite shape. Already you know solid have a definite shape. So when a solid is heated, it expands in the all directions. Okay, if you heat any solid material, it will be expand. For example, in that it expand in length, area and volume. In that solids, the shapes are increased. Okay, so it may be length increased or area or volume. Length, breadth, height is there, no, in that increases because of heat. That is thermal expansion. In that first, linear expansion means the expansion in length. If you giving the heat energy, no, in that time, in that solid materials expand in their length, that is known as linear expansion. Okay, then cubical expansion means if you give the heat energy, the solid material expand in that volume, that is known as cubical expansion. Volume means length, breadth, height. Okay, this will be increased, that is known as cubical expansion. Okay, so length is increased means that is linear expansion. Volume is increased means that is cubical expansion. Are you clear? Next, see, this is example for cubical expansion. See, in this figure, one ring is there, one iron ball. Okay, first in that iron ball, in that ring, it is not moving inside. If you heat the iron ring is there, no, if you give the more heat energy, it expand. In that time, that iron ball move inside. This is cubical expansion. This is one activity. Okay, see, this is this is linear expansion. See here, first one dry cell is there, no, in that watch you are using, no, wall clock, in that cell. Then one electric bulb, then one coin, after one cycle spoke, then one nail, then connecting wires. These are the things needed. Okay, first place the coin in that one wood, one coin like is there, no, you place the coin on the wooden block. Okay, in that coin you have to rotate any one wire. Okay, in that wire you connected one bulb, another end you connected one dry cell, then again the dry cell, again it is connected into one nail, then in between the two block is there, no, the wooden block, that is cycle spoke first. Okay, in that cell, after you connect the wire into the cycle fork, then the cycle spoke is there, no, in that cycle fork should not touch the coin. First, small gap you have to leave. Okay, in that one block they keep the one stone because it is not moving, it is firmly want to hold, no, so you have to hold. That purpose they are keeping the stone on the wooden block. Okay, so in the this is cycle spoke. First you have to heat the cycle spoke. Okay, if you heat means what happened in that cycle spoke, it is expand. So it expand means it touch the coin. So it is touch the coin means what happened? The electric bulb will glow. Okay, if you take the heat, you should not heat that cycle spoke. What happened? Again it is contract. That means it is should not touch the coin. In that time, the electric bulb does not glow. So in this cycle spoke is expand in the length. Okay, so this is the example for linear expansion. See, This is the today's cuisine. Thank you.